Oh, they've expanded in here. They got a whole lot bigger. So this is Phuket Laundry Service. You might be asking yourself, hey, buddy, why did you put a laundry shop in Teenee? Well, because this whole pin is like a Teenee tip for you. I'm not necessarily saying that this, and by the way, the noise is these guys over here doing some car detailing. I'm not saying that this laundry shop is the best laundry shop on the island and you should drive across the island to get here. What I'm saying is if you're staying at a hotel or a villa and you're looking for a reasonably priced option for your laundry, what I would suggest is that you find a place exactly like this. Here they are. Look at them working away up here in the back of the house, folding the laundry. Sweaty cap. Find a place like this. If you're in this area, by all means, click the map icon, come to Phuket Laundry. This is our laundry shop of choice when we're in Phuket. So just walk down the street with a bag of dirty clothes, drop it into one of these shops. They'll say laundry. There'll be a sign that says laundry, and they'll charge you per kilogram. And it'll be like 80% less than your hotel would charge you, trust me. And it usually comes back clean, dried, folded. They even iron this stuff. They do a really good job. Comes back smelling April fresh. Oh yeah, you'll like that. And it comes back usually with 1 day. So we're bringing it in today, just after lunch. We'll pick it up tomorrow, just after lunch. But this pin was just all about giving you a little inspiration to save some money on that hotel laundry bill. Find your local laundry shop and then thank Teenee for the tip.